Welcome to Grosvenor Grammar School. Please join us for an Access All Areas tour of what makes this a happy and thriving school. We have a modern, spacious building where pupils feel safe and where they can enjoy each other's company as they build lifelong friendships. The music department is a hive of activity every day of the week, catering for all tastes and abilities. Our extensive clubs and societies programme offers opportunities for all and helps to develop our pupils outside the classroom. We are an academic grammar school with a highly dedicated team of teachers who ensure excellent results for our pupils at GCSE and A-level.
Pupils are offered a broad, flexible and balanced curriculum in Grosvenor, and the school provides a supportive learning environment to motivate pupils to achieve the highest of academic standards. Our aim is to empower our pupils to achieve the very best of which they are capable, by enabling them to develop as individuals and as contributors to society, the economy and the environment.
We are blessed with superb sporting facilities with everything located on site, facilitating easy access and a sense of common purpose across the teams. We have a busy Saturday morning programme with well over 200 pupils involved across a variety of sports. The sports hall and fitness suite allow for engaging and active physical education lessons.
The school is proud of its strong pastoral care system and pleasant atmosphere, in which pupils are encouraged to develop their capabilities and to grow in self-confidence throughout their years in the school.
Happiness breeds success in Grosvenor, with every pupil being welcomed into the Grosvenor family when they join the school. Every member of the school community is proud to be a stag.